Did you know that the Samsung J7 Prime was one of the best-selling smartphones in 2016, thanks to its solid performance and budget-friendly price? The Samsung J7 Prime was designed to offer a great smartphone experience without breaking the bank. It's a device that many users loved for its simplicity and reliability. Even years after its release, it's still interesting to see if it holds up today. Samsung is a leading manufacturer with a long history of producing high-quality smartphones. The J7 Prime was released back in 2016 and quickly gained popularity due to its impressive specs and affordable price. Initially, it was well received by critics and users alike, praised for its sturdy build and decent performance. The phone was marketed as a mid-range device that could handle everyday tasks with ease. The J7 Prime features a 5.5-inch Full HD display, which was quite impressive for its time. Its camera quality is also noteworthy, with a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. The device is powered by an octa-core processor and comes with 3 GB of RAM, making it capable of handling basic tasks smoothly. It also boasts a large 3,300 mAh battery, which provides a full day of use. The phone's internal storage is 16 GB, expandable via microSD card. In terms of design, the J7 Prime has a solid build with a metal body. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold. The phone also features a fingerprint sensor for added security. The display is bright and vibrant, making it great for watching videos. The camera app is user-friendly and offers various modes. The performance is smooth for everyday use, such as browsing and social media. However, it may struggle with more demanding tasks. One of the J7 Prime's major strengths is its affordability, making it accessible to a wide range of users. It's also very user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. However, the phone does have some weaknesses, such as outdated software and performance limitations. The J7 Prime originally ran on Android 6.0 and only received updates up to Android 8.0. This might leave it vulnerable to security issues and incompatible with newer apps. Additionally, the phone's performance can be slow at times, especially when multitasking. The camera quality, while decent, may not match the standards of newer smartphones. Despite these drawbacks, the J7 Prime remains a reliable option for basic use. If you're considering the J7 Prime in 2025, you might wonder how it compares to other budget smartphones. Newer devices often offer better specs, such as improved cameras and faster processors. However, the J7 Prime's affordability and reliability still make it a contender. Some of its competitors include the Xiaomi Redmi series and the Samsung Galaxy A series. These phones offer newer features and better performance, but at a slightly higher price. I've had the chance to use the J7 Prime for a while, and it's been a solid experience. The phone handles day-to-day activities like calls, texts, and social media with ease. It's also been reliable for watching videos and listening to music. However, I did notice some limitations when trying more demanding tasks. In my opinion, the J7 Prime is still a good option for those on a tight budget. It offers great value for its price, especially for users who need a simple smartphone. I give it a solid rating for its reliability and affordability. It's perfect for users who want a basic smartphone for everyday tasks. If you have any experiences with the Samsung J7 Prime or similar devices, I'd love to hear about them. Please comment below with your thoughts or questions. If you're interested in more tech reviews, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I'm always here to help with any tech-related queries. Feel free to reach out and ask.